Hello and welcome to this NDTV exclusive. The Malegaon blasts of 2008 have always been at the center of a controversy ever since the anti-terror squad of Maharashtra probing it alleged that it was Hindutva extremists behind the blasts. Now, even after the NIA has taken over the case, a fresh controversy has surrounded this particular investigation, with allegations being made by none other than the special public prosecutor handling the case, Rohini Salian, that she has been asked to go soft on the case since there's been a change of regime. The NIA, of course, has rebutted this, but let's get Rohini Salian to respond to all these questions in what is her first exclusive television interview here in her chambers in Mumbai. Thank you very much indeed, ma'am, for joining us.
Thank you.
Now, you said in your first interview
Yes.
that you were asked to go soft in this particular case by someone in the NIA. The NIA has subsequently come out and said that they have checked and no such officer has given you such instructions. But you still stand by this?
Yes, I still stand by it. I swear by it.
You swear by it?
Yes.
You swear by what exactly?
What I've said.
Yes, but just for the record, if you
Yeah.
could repeat what
Yes.
exactly happened.
Yes, somebody has come to me and has told me to go soft.
And this person was who?
From NIA.
A member of the NIA.
Yes.
And when did this happen exactly?
It must initially it has happened somewhere in between May and June last year.
Between May and June last year.
Last year.
So this is somewhere after the government changed in New Delhi?
Yes.
I see. And what did this gentleman say to you exactly? I mean, did he just say go soft or did he elaborate? Who
No.
has given him these instructions?
No, he has not elaborated.
Okay.
He only called me first that he wanted to meet me. Then I called him. He came to our court, and in the court itself, in the corridor, he told me about it.
And he said that
He said, it is the instruction from up. I don't know who's that.
instructions from above.
Yeah.
But he didn't clarify what he meant by going soft.
No,
And who is this gentleman in the NIA who told you
I
this?
don't want to name him.
But if it comes to it, will you be able to prove it?
Yes,
You will be able to prove it.
yes.
How will you prove the fact that this incident
At this
took
stage,
place?
I don't want to reveal it.
Okay, I'm only asking you this because the matter could escalate.
Yes,
it would
I
go to court,
understand. I understand.
and the NIA is
I
contesting
know
it.
my responsibility, and I am accountable to the public.
Now tell me, the NIA has also said that this case is not even reached the trial stage yet. So where is the question of going soft? To that, what would you say?
So I have been arguing this matter during the 8 years also, right from day one. All bail application, all miscellaneous application, all application. I've been drafting the reply as well as arguing the matter. Right from beginning, even after NIA took over, I was asked in writing to continue. So where is the question of beginning trial? Because all issues are very important at this stage also. It's a question of retaining MCOC or not and allowing them to go on bail.
So even now there are very important aspects of the
course,
case which have to be
yes.
determined, like whether or not the Maharashtra Organized Crime Act will apply to this particular
Yes.
case, whether the accused will go on bail.
Correct.
So one can't say that this is some unimportant time.
No, this is the most crucial time, I would say.
But you're saying, and this is again something which is very significant, you're saying that this whole shift has happened, you said, after the new government took charge. You sensed some sort of a change in mood. What
Yes.
exactly has changed? And one thing before that I want to ask you is, why are you bringing this up now? That's what people are asking.
Correct. Because at that stage I felt
Yes.
it's not my, I should say something about it unless I have enough proof.
Okay.
So it may be an instruction, one doesn't know. But soft, I don't know what exactly is the meaning of soft, because by then I argued all the matters were pending in the Supreme Court.
Okay.
So there was no question of arguing also.
So what triggered it? What exactly then provoked you to go public? When you said you were
Finally,
waiting for evidence.
Yes. Finally, the matter was decided in the Supreme Court. All issues which were pending, and it had come back now. Now it's the time to go on for the trial, exactly leading evidence and all.
This is the most important time.
Yes. And the direction of the Honorable Supreme Court is go for a special court, special judge. Every direction is there.
Yes.
So that means the trial will commence soon. So at this stage, there somebody is coming and saying that now your service is not required. It's very clear. At this stage, I felt there's something very, very serious going on. So I felt I should tell this to the general public.
You said
Very-
you want to get out of all
Yeah,
NIA matters.
yes,
but the
yes.
NIA is saying, ma'am, that basically they are reviewing the performance of all their special public prosecutors on a 5-yearly basis. You must have seen their statement.
Yes.
And on the basis of that, the Mumbai branch felt that it was time for you to be replaced by somebody else.
Correct.
So that could well be what you have to say to that.
Yeah, because the notification which was issued in 2009 is a general notification mine saying that I am the special public prosecutor for NIA in whole of Maharashtra. There was no mention of years or anything, 5 years.
So there was no time bar that was
No
put.
time bar was not there. Assuming they have a time bar of their own, there's no problem in appointing someone else. But till today, I have not got any intimation of any sort from them.
You've got no formal intimation so far.
No.
So you're saying you're rejecting this argument that there's some 5-yearly
Yes.
performance analysis
First.
on the basis of which this is
Correct.
done.
Performance-wise, everyone knows, whichever matter I have appeared, they got good favorable orders.
So then why do you think they want to remove you? What's the motive here?
That
When you said that something
you
very
can-
serious is going on,
Each
what is
and
that?
every person can read between the lines.
The 2 or 3 of the main accused who've
Yeah.
gone to court, Colonel Purohit, Pragya, Thakur, they have seen this order as something in their favor.
Yeah.
The Supreme Court has broadly accepted their contention that it's not clear whether there's enough evidence of MCOC against
Yes,
them
yes.
and that their bail application could be considered. Do you believe that this setback to the case
It's not a setback
is not
at
a
all.
setback case? Okay.
I'll elaborate because they have challenged the order of the Honorable High Court restoring the charges of MCOC.
Okay.
And the MCOC was diluted because of some fault, according to the trial judge, of taking cognizance by the 2 magistrates.
Right.
So that issue was dealt by the Supreme Court and they have upheld the orders of the Honorable High Court.
Okay, so this is, you're saying that still on a technicality,
Yeah.
it's not on a setback, but do you feel that this intervention that happened in the Supreme Court, that this was something which was detrimental to your case? This
To
interference
certain
with the-
extent,
with Mr.
yes,
Mariaputam?
yes.
In what way?
Because ultimately we had to abruptly, close it. That is one thing. It was not to a satisfactory.
Yes.
Satisfaction sort of, what we wanted to in fact deliver before the Honorable Court.
Do you feel that the NIA has made any significant progress in this case at all?
No, in 2009, the charge sheet was filed by the ATS after 12 persons were arrested. And the charge sheet is intact now also. And in 2011, NIA took over and they investigated further. But so far, not even single page is filed before the Honorable Trial Court.
There's not a single new piece of evidence
No,
you're saying
no.
which the NIA has brought before the trial
No.
court. So this is a problem which actually predates what you're saying is that you've seen a shift, you said, since the government changed. But this seems to be a problem which even predates this.
Yes,
that the
sir.
NIA is
But
not doing enough.
I can't make comment on it because why it was not brought before the court, I can't comment on it because I don't know the real reason.
Right.
So I was never interfering with that because
Right.
as a public prosecutor,
Yes.
I should keep away from interfering with the investigation.
Last question to you is that you have now taken the position that you said you are happy to leave the service of the NIA and you are now saying that you are willing to go against them. You meant that?
Yes, I did make that statement
What
because
is- yes.
because I am an advocate first,
Yes.
then a special public prosecutor or a public prosecutor. My duty is to appear and represent the court to bring the justice before the court. I am not anybody's puppet. I can't take orders from state also unless there is some substance in it.
Okay.
And even if I appear for the accused, I will not take any instructions, illegal instruction from him.
Okay. You're saying that
yeah.
you're not willing to just be pushed around.
No.
And you're saying all of this This is not coming out of the fact that you're disgruntled, that the NIA has given you marching orders
Yeah.
and that's why you're reacting like this?
No. This is, as an advocate, I have the freedom to
Okay.
appear for both the sides. But when I am booked for certain state, I should not appear against them in those matters where I have appeared in their favor.
So again, just to say, this is coming out of that, not out of the fact that the NIA said they no longer need your services.
No.
So feeling upset about that,
Not
you've come
at
out
all,
against NIA.
not at all. Not at all. Now I have been with the state of Maharashtra since ages now.
Okay.
But I have never come across such a unwanted, pressure. And my habit is that I should be, they should have faith in me. And not only that, they should give me free hand to conduct a trial and to represent properly,
Right.
legally, and for the justice, cause of justice. And I am appearing for the public and public only.
Okay. Ms. Salian, thank you very much indeed for talking to us.
Thank you. Thank you very much.